Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Asian stock markets retreated on Tuesday, snapping a two-day winning streak following the weak news overnight from Wall Street and the pullback in oil prices. Investors also traded cautiously ahead of the monetary statements by the US Federal Reserve and the Bank of Japan later in the week. The Japanese market is notably lower with a negative lead from Wall Street and the fall in oil prices denting risk appetite. Additionally, a stronger yen hurt exporter stocks. In late morning trades, the benchmark Nikkei 225 index is declining 1.86%. Crude oil futures fell on Tuesday, dropping below $30 a barrel and extending the previous day's losses by more than 2%, as fresh worries about oversupply from top producers Saudi Arabia and Iraq spooked the market. US crude fell 78 cents or 2.6% to $29.56 a barrel after hitting a session low at $29.50. It fell $1.85 or 5.8% to $30.34 a day earlier. In the currency market, the US dollar is trading in the lower 118 yen range on Tuesday, down from Monday's close in the mid 118 yen range in Tokyo. The schedule for economic releases picks up on Tuesday, although US numbers will dominate the headlines. US Consumer Confidence Index 15 GMT. Although the hard data on retail activity reflects a softer trend lately, the mood on Main Street still paints an upbeat profile. Today's figures from the Conference Board will offer more context for deciding if the optimism is holding onto the recent gains in 2016. It will be useful to see how today's January data via the Conference Board's index stacks up. The crowd expects a mild dip to 96.0 from 96.5 in December, based on the consensus forecast via econoday.com. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.